Hello everyone, hello tutors, back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is money, budget and expense tracker app. So you can see the icon, so you can download this app from Google Play Store and App Store. Okay, so you can see the rating of the app 4.9 out of 5. So when you get an app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really amazing. And 1k reviews, it means 1000 people write something about this app. We'll see later. The size of the it's too light, only 6.7 megabyte, and 100 k plus people already download this app. So basically this is accounting for expense, budget, money management and personal finance tracking. Like, okay, if you really want to see, then you can see like how much money you will spend in a month. You can set a goal and how you can get the upcoming bills like electricity, rent, housing, and you can check how much money you spent on which way, like family, education, pets, cinema, health, transportation, clothes, food, games, book, sport, cafe. So you can see here, and you can set a budget, control spending. So you can see, you can set the budget, like how much money you spend in this month. You can set the goal and schedule and recurring payment, and like you can see set saving goals and priorities all in one place. So you can add your card and cash. So it's really amazing. You can check, you can count, everything is available here. So if you really want to know about this app, then go here and you can check. There are many things here. The app is released 2022 only, few months ago, and in these days people use this application a lot. So if you really want to check what people say, you can go here and check the reviews and ratings. Then you will learn about this app more, positive reviews and negative reviews. Okay, so simply tap on install button. It takes few time to install in notifies. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.